Old soul, young vet in the game, trying to shine. Before my sun sets, will I reign? Some say someday. Sabali is the name. Patience, virtue is the aim. Ghetto greatness, rebel raising hell is levels to revelation. They say a lot of things, like the finer things in life are the diamond rings and iced out chains. As if I'm not a king and
viewing myself as Khalil, Jibran reincarnated, putting positive vibes in the universe as I waited for universal laws like cause and effect to take effect and reflect what I feel in my soul. I was writing raps by that street corner pole. I remember them winter nights, hustling in the cold. Every morning I meditated, visualizing my goal. I see myself as the greatest, even better than whole. Behold, that ain't disrespect, that's just my perspective. Shedding light with my insight, incredibly introspective. Student of the game, my craft I had to perfect it, compared to the core chords of the other rappers alike. Audition song about hip-hop, you feel me? Alright. The birthplace, New York City. Let's rock.
Yo, she was raised in the back of the Bronx, where they bumped the big cage out the back of the trunk, smoking in the back of the skunk, and hitting that biz. Influenced me to use it to put on that biz. True, who knew that we would ever be? Being in the booth kept me out of the streets. Never had much to enrich your poor pity. All of the friends that I found in New York City. She liked to boogie down and watching her hip hop. We really dated, kissing the game, watching her lips pop. She freestyle, PYT, we from these bricks, boys in the smile. We're tracking all the boys in the crowd, controlling the world. And you can send her soul in the girl. She made diamonds from gold and turned sand into pearls. Dropping jewels on dropouts, soul in new school. Bring that big apple bottom, straight over to the room. True. She was raised in the back of the Bronx, where they bumped the mixtapes out the back of the trunk, smoking the back of the skunk. And that bit, the fools be the fool of the world. That bit, true. Knew that we would ever meet. Living in the booth, kept me out of the street. Never had much to watch your poor pity. All of the friends that I found in New York City. Over time, blessed, but still stressed. Last left of a dying breed, flying weed with every breath. Death on the corner, sort of a horror film for dead presidents, sons and daughters killed and killed for the thrill of the chill of this cold world, but still in his hand, no steel in the can, ready to steal for billions and millions and grands and hundreds. He needed, so we wanted, and so do we all. So who do I trust? They tell me the Lord. I know that faith has helped me before, but I only see my homies at war. Police and walks take care of the corpse, and it's all for the dollar bill. Jesus can't save him, so pray the doctor will. Chopper drill, the block is still everyone turned Copperfield. The block is still haunted. Crescents and crosses, cash rules everything around here. So I wanted him more of it, lessons and losses. That lesson is lawless. That's why the poor kids rapping, strapped in the trap and trapped in the trap. Where anything can happen in fact, let's take it back when we were young. All the time, things between us got more personal and purpose. And she reads on my every spoken word is true. She got a good element, gift of the gods, to the gangsters and gentlemen she haven't sent. I ain't with her for the hell of it. New Jersey devilish, damn presidents out to represent. But I turn the tables like a disc jockey. HipHop be my one and only, the Sabali, different tongues. She was younger, I was young, and I showed her what the new school has become. Took her to where I'm from, familiar ground. She knew the rail was still around. Brick City down the hill, Hilltown, and other cities as well. We bumpin' Biggie and Machiavelli, can't you tell me ready to die? Me and my girlfriend ain't nothing like the old school. Watch the world and it changing, and we got a double date with Destiny in your feet.
Let me give you the rundown. To Penn Station, had to meet one of my brothers. He was really into graphics, so he made my mixtape cover. I Gave him some bread, did to support his enterprise. He was satisfied, I seen the drive all in his eyes. Gave him some depth, and I parted my ways. And it's funny how dark nights always start with bright days. How you make wrong turns, trying to go the right way. But Mike said to do it just like the night say. Able showers bring flowers, but it's not quite made. Now I'm on my way back, Scully in my wave cap, bumping me against myself high. Yeah, I made that, I put my bag on the seat, I beat, so I laid back.
Yeah, she was raised in the back of the Bronx, where they put the mixtapes out the back of the trunk, smoking the back of the skull, and hitting that bit. The flow was bigger, you know the world that bit. True, know that we never me. Being in the booth kept me out of the street. Never had much to hear once your poor pity. All cause the friend that I found in New York City. Prison the bricks coming from dirty dirt. I was the young first met her coming from dirty dirt. I was on the path train, now I'm on my path to train on these tracks and the tickle for the rap gang. They wasn't treating the right, so I had to fight the fight for the love of my life. They was pimping around, it was a lyrical crowd. Even Kanye was gold digging around. They wanna hit to get to the top of the charts. I made bodies of work because the body was hard for the love of the bars. Hip hop will always ever reside inside of my heart. Like Mother Nature, her beauty was serene, supreme. She was a Nubian queen. Even though I'm rapping North Brick City, I forever have a friend in New York City. She was raised in the back of the Bronx, where they bumped the mixtapes out the back of the trunk, smoking the back of the skull, and hitting that bit. Influenced me to do the world that bit. True, knew that we would ever meet. Being in the booth kept me out of the streets. I never had much to hear once your poor pity. All cause the friend that I found in New York City.
In the summer, no dinner in the winter. Funky coverage, just me and my sister, the beliefs of a sinner. Her homie see through the leaf in the liquor. Street scripture, cream, nigga. Dream bigger than life, twist up the dice, Jimmy told me. It's all imagination, homemade, no exaggeration. We only trying to ball like Kobe. May Holy Mary forgive me for my sins and give me Benjamins, so I can get everyone in Brick City and Benz. Trying to make ends meet before I make my make it in the sands. Time is money, so I spend it with family and friends. Cause we went from pyramids to poverty, property, and the rich. That's why ghetto children killing, commit robberies in the bricks. Well, wishes were never granted and prayers were never answered. Governors and mayors haters like they cater to the greater good. Ghetto rebel settled in the devil's neighborhood. My homie got a 9 to 5. Oh, he looks suspicious. Yeah, he's thinking about to put in some work because the pay is good. Or is it evil like the needles that keep my people in fetal position? Conditions of a crack colony. I see souls that need hoes snitching like Lilo get stitched, trying to get rich like Nino for the bricks. And EO, East Coast and West. Behold, I'm blessed, but vexed, or stressed, no less than all the cream. We all dream, but we don't all live. I call cream, and the team is not even small biz.
Next time, passengers board the train, took my bag off the seat so they leg through the strain. Look, one dude tried to sit, but he hesitated. He was pacing back and forth and never resonated. I didn't realize that I was a designated victim. Dog eat dog, they said sick on. He grabbed my phone and said, come on, bro, give it up. He let go because he knew I wasn't giving up. He stepped back and he nodded to his accomplice, who had the gun to get the robbery accomplished. Bracing myself, no help, even no orthodontist. We in the teeth of the streets and we trying to fill a gap. Niggas robbing and killing, true feelings, what they really lack. Can't believe they caught me slipping on this train track. If they would have stayed right there, I would have came back. Black hoodie, black mask, and I would have came strapped. Black on black crime, I fell into that same trap. Blame that, 357 9 in that gray map. But the robbery is still proceeding as we speaking. Could have been avoided, I reconsidered my seating. Now I notice the government is getting agitated. And he's thinking he should have never collaborated. Cause what should have been simple just got exaggerated. Itching to use his weapon, situation eradicated. Barrel of his gun slowly coming up out his steep tech. When they use it, they put a nigga to sleep next. I reflect mental pictures of physical defects. If you pull a hollow 10 bullets, it's gonna eject. I still eat rap, showing my heart just like a V-neck. Hoping that he spare me just on the basis of respect. Bullet wounds on the ride home. Shot to the chest, brink of death over an iPhone. Everything spinning on my fidget look like a cyclone. Couldn't predict they got inflicted, I could have unknown.
Speak, don't listen to said what? What's that
nonsense, right?
Hey, yo,
get him the fuck out of here.
Nah.